In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable salary trend notifications on Glassdoor. Salaries 2026. By the end, you'll have timely updates about pay changes and market movement delivered straight to you, so you can make smarter career and negotiation decisions. Start by opening your browser and going to glassdoor.com. If you prefer the mobile app, the flow is very similar, but I'll walk through it on the website for clarity. Once the page loads, sign into your account. This part is quick. Just use your usual login method so we can get right to the settings. After you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. Click it to open the menu, then choose Notifications. This takes you to the central place where you control what Glassdoor sends you, and how often. Inside the notification settings, find a section labeled Salaries. It may be grouped alongside other categories like jobs or company updates. Click Salaries to expand it and reveal the specific options related to pay. This is where you control alerts that track pay changes over time. Next, locate the option for Salary Trends and the option for Salary Updates and Market Trends. Salary trends typically cover broader shifts in pay ranges. Think changes in average compensation across roles or locations. Salary updates tied to jobs in your alerts help you track movement for positions you're actively following, which is especially useful if you're preparing to apply or negotiate. From here, simply enable or disable the toggles based on what you want to receive. Turn on salary trends if you want a high-level view of where pay is heading in your field. Turn on salary updates for jobs in your alerts if you want more targeted updates tied to roles you care about. You can turn either one off at any time if you prefer fewer notifications. There's no save button here. Your choices are saved automatically as soon as you flip a switch. That means you can adjust the settings quickly and move on without worrying about losing your changes. A few quick tips to make these alerts more useful. Make sure you've set up relevant job alerts so the salary updates align with your interests. Double check that your email and notification permissions are allowed on your device, and take a moment to confirm your location and role preferences so the trends you see reflect your market. And that's it. You've successfully enabled salary trend notifications on Glassdoor. Stay tuned to your inbox or notifications and use those insights to guide your job search, performance reviews, and salary negotiations.